Okay, so starting the lab of port security. Let's hope our luck will grant everything. What do we need is, of course, a switch. That is something we agree to. Let's copy this computer and paste a lot of computers. Let's see how much computers we can use. All of those computers. What do we need is that uh, to see. Okay, so let's connect all of them first. Let's make it this way. Let's try the difference violation reactions. Maybe we'll try the strict protect and shut down. This is important. Let's try limiting the number of learned MAC addresses and also the number of learned MAC addresses. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so let's have maybe some other laptops just sitting there waiting for their turn to connect to the network and see the behavior of this connectivity. Okay, so this one comes in here, please. That clear to you? Okay, so enable. Let's start to see this one. Okay, so you know that all the port security protocol commands are applied inside an interface. They are not global at all. None of them are global. So the first thing will be configure terminal is that maybe we'll start with interface fast Ethernet and let's try the 6. This one, fast Ethernet 06. And this one should be switch port security, hit enter. Command rejected because it's set dynamic. I'm sorry. Switch port mode access. Yes, now switch port security. Now we have port security under this interface, but what will happen is that let's see. So this MAC address right now, the MAC address of this one, it's a port security, but we didn't violate anything or we did not limit anything. Let's make it switch port security, not aging. It's either MAC address maximum or violation. No violation right now. Let's make the maximum learned MAC addresses. No, MAC address. See, check this one. We will start with the sticky. Okay, so MAC address sticky. There is an option called sticky. What it will do is that the current MAC address right now with this PC will automatically be copied from the PC, come to the switch, and will be locked. Once this computer goes away and any other person comes here and tries to connect to the port, it will be violated if only I limited the maximum number to 1. See, so I will do 2 steps now. Step number 1 is that this one will be learned. That's it. Okay, so you know that only this computer is allowed to access fast Ethernet 06. Any other computers are allowed, yes, because I haven't limited the maximum number. So switch port security maximum 1. That's it. So only one MAC address is allowed now to access or connect to fast Ethernet 06. But the problem or the main thing to know is that this one is already connected right now and it's already trusted because of the sticky. Okay, not just because it's connected and that's it. Anyone, the other one can disconnect the cable and connect itself to the fast Ethernet 06. But what I have done right now is that I have trusted this specific sticky MAC address, by performing the sticky. So that's it. So the default behavior will be shut down. Let's see if any other device came in here. So please take this one. No, the delete. I will delete the cable. Okay, please take a rest for a few moments. Another one came by and tried to connect himself to the switch. Please, let's see. It should not connect at all. If the packet tracer supports the function of the port security correctly. I'm suspecting something. I'm suspecting that I have configured my configuration in interface. No, it's correct, fast Ethernet 06. So, it should be shut it down by now. Exit or end. Show port security action shutdown. The maximum secured addresses 1. The current addresses are 0. No, it's not 0. There is someone already connected. What's wrong with you? Show MAC address. Yeah, show MAC address table. There is no MAC address table. Why? Let's see this one. So if you give to yourself assigned an IP address and you want to connect to any other device, will you be able or not? Can you ping the 11? Let's see. This is yourself. Unbelievable. This MAC address is trusted on fast Ethernet 06. The total addresses in the system are 0 right now. When fast Ethernet 06 port security is enabled, the violation mode is shut down. Yes, no aging, I know. The maximum addresses are 1 only. Configured MAC addresses are 0, but there is a sticky MAC address, so when there is a sticky MAC address, then what's wrong with you? Okay, so let's try our luck again. Maybe a different and new one. Just come there and connect themselves. Did it connect to fast Ethernet? Yes, it's 06, yes. No, it's not working. Port security is not working. Impact tracer port security is not behaving correctly because I have only trusted one interface and that's it. Okay, let's further check. 1 minute. Okay, so that's really strange because what I did is just nothing. I don't know. Did the pack tracer take a lot of time to consider? This is really strange. See where to check the MAC address. MAC address is not showing here. This is the new computer, the new PC. So ipconfig. Just 1 minute. Okay, let's try again. I don't know. This is really strange because I did nothing. Okay, any other person here? Not allowed. This is the original PC. Oh, good. So now everyone is not allowed, or what? Oh yes, I'm sorry. The violation is shut down, so the port is now down. I need to enable it again. Okay, anyway, so go again. I don't know why did the packet tracer take all that time just to perform it correctly. It's strange. Maybe because by default they do not send these PC, those computers, they do not send a frame immediately once you connect them. So we need to add maybe like an IP address, perform a ping, and after that it happened. This is what it looked like. Okay, so let's go back to maybe PC number 1, fast Ethernet, and let's see how to fix that. Now we have a down interface and we need to fix it, and it's down because of the violation that happened. Config T fast Ethernet 06. Do we have? I think it's error disable recovery, switch port, trunk access mode negotiate, port security. No, right now what do we have is that exit, exit, interface fast Ethernet 06. Sorry, show interface fast Ethernet 06. This says fast Ethernet 06 is down and the protocol is down because of the error disabled. Okay, so configure terminal, error disabled. There is nothing to config in the error for the error disable in here. Fast Ethernet 06. No, let's try to shut it manually and unshut it. Yeah, that's it. Just shut down the interface and unshut it and it will work again. Actually, I'm really curious. I want to say make it again. Now the same interface is still violated. It should really do a same violation again now. For this one, it's working. Let's assign maybe an IP address and try to provoke the computer to send something. Let's give it whatever IP address it is. Oh, yes. So once you assign an IP address to the computer, I believe it's sending a frame to the switch, and that's it. And maybe there is another thing. Actually, you know that DHCP, when you assign a computer to a DHCP, it automatically sends a broadcast message. So that's a frame. So let's do it again. Take it to this computer. One last thing. Go down, fix it. Okay, configure terminal. Interface fast Ethernet 06. Shut and no shutdown. Okay, good. Now we are working normally because no frame is sent until now from this computer. How about requesting? Yes, good. That's what we desire. That's what we wanted. Because having a computer requesting a DHCP so that it will initiate the discovery, a PIPA of course, and that's it. Good. So this is the first one. This is the first example. What we did is that we limited only for the known one, and that only one known. This is one. We make it a sticky, and we make it only the maximum number is one, and that's it. We no other one is allowed. Good. I know that you can do that by yourself, but just I want to show you one last thing is that if this trusted computer requested a DHCP, will it be granted or it will be violated? Shut the interface, no shut, it's working normally. This is the trusted one, and since you are the trusted one, oh, no way, no way, have I messed around something? Okay, no problem, let's see, good. Okay, so let's see if that any other one. So now what do we have is that maybe we'll try any other option of the MAC addresses. Maybe we try the maximum MAC addresses on an interface, and that maximum can be done by using, okay, how about something, let me show you something. Let's change the violation. Configure terminal, switch port security, violation. Let's make it strict to see if there will be any logs recorded. Strict, I'm sorry, I said strict before. Okay, that's it, we are done. Oh, not that's it, let's enable it. Okay, so now the violation is to restrict, not to shut down the interface, but just to restrict. So just assign it here a bit more. Requested DHCP, good. So requesting, of course, will be requesting, but it will not be down. Let's see if there was any logs in here. Show logging. Nothing recorded. Again, nothing recorded. Maybe show port security violation. Show port security. Yes, I know that there is a restrict. Show port security address. Show port security violation. There is nothing called show port security violation. Show violation also is not there. Security violation count 2. I believe one of them was for the last one and one of them for now. The violation count 2 because one of them was for the shutdown just 2 moments ago, and one of them for the correct one right now. Okay, so this is still up, but it's restricted, so it can't just log in. It's still up. It can see that himself that it's up, but all its frame is not accepted at all in the network. Okay, so we have tried the change the violation mode, the maximum limitation. We did use the maximum limitation, but I just want to see it in another method just before we finish the video, and also the sticky. So maybe we can connect right now, bring all of those guys here, this one in here. Maybe they have hated us because they cannot connect to the network. Okay, no problem, no problem at all. So let's see a switch, another switch, this one, and this other switch, fast Ethernet 07, I believe. Yes, it's fast Ethernet 07. Connect 4 of them. We are good, we are done, we have no problem. What we will do is that fast Ethernet 07, I will leave this one, but on fast Ethernet 07, I will make the maximum allowed MAC addresses 4, so that any fifth one comes in the future will not be able to come in and would cause everything to shut down. So let's see, config 07, switch port mode access, switch port security, switch port security, maximum 7, I'm sorry, 4. The violation is shut down. Have I missed anything this time? Or we are done? Okay, only 4 are allowed here. We have no problem. Let's see if this one try to send the frame. Yes, nothing is shut it down. Number 2, try to send the frame. Why? I've said that the maximum is 4. I can't understand this one. That's a lot. The maximum addresses are 4. Security violation count is 1. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this the 5th one? Oh god, no way. Okay, so remove it. Just remove this one. Now 3 and 4. I have no idea actually. Let's check this one. Okay, configure terminal. Interface fast Ethernet 07. Shut and no shut. Now it's working normally. I'm sorry. It's working normally. So this one again. Send another frame. This second one in here sends another frame. This is 2. The third one sends the third frame. Okay, all of them, 3 of them are sending frames to this one, and I believe this is the 4th one considered. So bringing another one. New computer. I'm suspecting you. Go away. Go away, please. Go away, scary spider. Okay, so connect it. No violation yet. Send the frame. Let's see. Yes, finally. Good, 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 good. So the fast Ethernet 01 of switch 1 is considered the 4th interface allowed to access. So you need to count this, please. Don't make the same mistake that I did right now. Is that now you have this interface. Okay, so this is a MAC address coming out of fast Ethernet 01, and those 3 others, now they are total of 4 allowed for fast Ethernet 07. This is considered the 5th one, and of course it will be violate. Okay, so I believe you have tried everything you can do and lab whatever you like, and have you showed all the commands that you need, and there's the command for aging time. You can add it as you like. It's okay. Also, just in case this was clear, okay, if you need any further steps or actions that we might do, or we might lab an extra lab, just inform me. It's okay, no problem at all. And that's it. This is the end of port security. So I'm sorry for all that mistakes that happened. These are some troubleshooting skills actually that you would see me doing such mistakes that you will not do in the future. You will avoid them because I did them already in front of you. So this is good. This is beneficial for you. Sometimes we have to do some mistakes by purpose. Today wasn't by purpose, actually. It wasn't on purpose at all. So anyway, that's it. This is the end of port security. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the upcoming video of DHCP stopping. Goodbye.